Now it is a very nice pleasure to welcome a company that's been working with us for many years. So please welcome to the stage Chloé Marteel, Marketing Communications Manager at Leaf.
Thank you, Paul, for the kind introduction and for the opportunity to be here in the lovely Netherlands for World Biomarkets. So I'm very honored to be representing Leaf by Lesaffre today and to introduce to you how Leaf leverages the power of fermentation and microorganisms to build a sustainable industry. I will take a few seconds to comply with my legal department, so please consider this presentation disclaimed. So the first thing I would like to say is that at Leaf, we are backed up by a giant in the fermentation space, and that is Lesaffre. So being a part of the Lesaffre group, we count on many internal and external partners. So this represents 700 people, experts in research, development, and innovation, as well as 90 university and startup partners. So we also draw upon Lesaffre's human and material resources. So we count on its global presence and supply chain for locally adapted products. We also count on Lesaffre's industrial network, so 80 production sites that ensure both the proximity and the reactivity. We also draw upon Lesaffre's industrial excellence for the best performances and reduced impacts. And last but not least, we also count on Lesaffre's quality policy, and this ensures the traceability, the consistency, and the reliability of our products. And so within that picture, at Leaf, we are your industrial fermentation partner for a sustainable tomorrow. So you might know Leaf from the bioethanol industry. We are leaders in the non-GMO space for bioethanol production with our product Ethanol Red, which became the industry standard over the years. But it doesn't stop here. We've been investing a lot of time and resources into developing the most advanced products. And last year, we launched a GMO yeast for bioethanol production. But there's also a possibility that you know us from last year's presentation. My colleague Pierre, who's present today, was on this very floor. And based on what he presented, you might know that Leaf is also playing in the chemical space. So we are supporting players from the chemical industry into their green transition in what we call renewable chemicals or industrial biotechnology as a whole. And so my mission today is to bring a case to illustrate how Leaf is playing in that segment. But before I do that, a question you might have, and that I will answer, is why is Leaf committed to accelerating the green transition? Well, it's for a number of reasons. In the past years, we've seen a lot of changes taking place in our industries. And we've seen that there are incentives coming both from consumers and regulators for more sustainable products and sustainable ways of producing the goods. We also know that part of sustainability lies in the reduction of waste and the smart use of resources. And we've also seen that many manufacturers are looking at producing goods efficiently, of course, but sometimes with improved characteristics or even new properties. And at Leaf, we know that fermentation offers an economically viable solutions to bringing those eco-friendly products with new or improved performances to the market. But unfortunately, we've also seen that many initiatives are falling short in delivering just that. And so we feel that it is important to celebrate the successful ones. And that is why we chose today to bring to you the BioImpulse case as an illustration of how Leaf is playing in the renewable chemical industry. So I don't know if any of you has heard about BioImpulse previously. So the BioImpulse project aims at producing an adhesive resin that is free of substances of very high concern in order to replace the formaldehyde-based adhesive resins that are currently present in several markets, such as the construction market or the automotive market. BioImpulse is a project coordinated by Michelin through its ResiCare entity. It is supported by the French agency ADEME as part of the Investments for the Futures program. It is a 6-year project. We are currently on year 5, with our latest milestone being the validation of the process robustness at industrial scale. So it is a major project with a big consortium that we are a part of, along with 4 other partners that are the FCBA, the INSA of Toulouse, TWB, so Toulouse White Biotechnology, and of course, ResiCare. And so in that project, our role at LEAF was to design and to deliver the fermentation process book. And I'm very proud to tell you that in doing so, we helped reducing the cost of the project thanks to higher yield, higher productivity, and higher titers into a more economically feasible project. But this is not all that LEAF can deliver. We are able to cover the whole value chain from end to end, or to deliver a modular approach by combining our strength and our expertise to that of partners in order to deliver fermentation solutions that are adapted to market needs. So we take care of the microorganism development, so the selection, the development, and the optimization of highly robust strain. We can also take care of the fermentation process development and optimization to be ready for industrial conditions. Of course, we support the scaling up of the fermentation process, so to go from lab to pilot and commercial scale. And last but not least, we also have all of our partners benefit from our technical support on site to successfully carry out productions. So that was my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. If you would like to go into more detail or to discuss other topics, my colleague Pierre and myself will be available today and tomorrow. We have a booth, so it is the booth MS04. You can find us very easily, and I invite you to do so. Thank you very much.